Hi everyone, my buddy's getting rich raising pigeons, so I hit up his farm and grabbed a few pairs to start my own empire. But first things first, we gotta build these little guys a pigeon cage. Time to put those leftover wood scraps from my past DIY chaos to good use. Hello, budget-friendly pigeon cage. Things are about to get precise. I'm measuring, cutting, and sanding those planks to perfection. No splinters allowed in my 5-star coop. Materials prepped, tools in hand, let's head to the construction site. Welcome to land of my pigeon tycoon dreams. Screws in, wood together, this thing's gonna survive a storm. Halfway done and it's already looking kind of fancy. Let's wrap up the rest so it's nice and balanced. Time to slap that roof on. This frame's officially graduated to a real deal pigeon pallet. Frame's done, now let's work on the interior. Some wire mesh for security and private luxury suites for the egg-laying queens. Wires up, now floors, room dividers, and of course a little front door for our feathery tenants. To keep this baby weatherproof and termite free, I'm giving it a glossy coat of PU, stylish and sturdy. These pigeons are my business partners now. Gotta give them that VIP weather protection. Next up, turning these plastic panels into bougie little bedroom doors. Throwing on a metal roof for that industrial strength. Some palm leaf roof action on the sides, extra cool and extra fancy. Pigeon cage is done. Time to glam it up with a little landscaping. Laid some bricks, tossed in a bit of gravel. Now it's giving major aesthetic vibes. A few plants here, some soft bedding there, cozy vibes activated. After all that sweat and sawdust, the big moment is here. Move-in day for the VIP pigeon cage. Carefully letting the stars of the show enter their brand new digs. Starting small for now, test the waters. But if my pigeons start popping out babies and profits, this coop's going nationwide. Got a dream to get rich raising birds too? Try out this small pigeon cage. Thanks for hanging out and watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.